Breaking news, guys. I got my very own yoga bag from Amazon. I love this so much because you can store a lot of stuff. And I will show you in a minute how much stuff I'm able to store in it. When you go to the gym or yoga class, Pilates class, wherever class, or just home class, you can bring this with you with all your equipment, tools that you want to use. This comes with zipper. If you don't want to bring your bag, this is for like credit card, cell phones, whatever you want to put it, money. And on the other side, this also comes with a packet. I think this is the cell phone actually, and there's two, and this, I have something there, this packet as well. And when you open it up, it's nice, wide, big bag. I love it. It's light. You can store a lot of stuff. You can bring a lot of stuff. See, it's nice. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. So what are you waiting for? Go get yours. That's all.